combination of flexibility with strength, with your technique, everything is like, it blew me away. Really did blew me away. I think you're incredible. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm screaming inside right now.
Those are big hiccups.